Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought we would do a spring or sunset type look since yesterday was the first day of spring. April Fools. I missed all that because I was traveling back and forth to the doctor, but today that's what we are going to do, and we are going to use the Blends palette by Blendbunny Cosmetics and possibly the Bperfect Antidote palette. So if that is something that you would like to see, well then just keep on watching. So I have already primed my lids with the Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base in Fair. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not tried this eye base, you are seriously missing out. This is the best eye base out there. It makes the eyeshadow pop. It makes it last all day, and you can use this as concealer. And it's just wonderful, and there will be a link in the description for all things Gerard Cosmetics. Okay, let's jump into this, ladies and gentlemen. How has everyone been doing? I have been healing wonderfully so far. I go next week for my 2-week checkup. So after that checkup, I will be back in here full time, but I have been trying to get a video in here and there to get out to you guys. I think I want to start out. I want to start out with a brown. Yeah, I'm going to start out with Mama Bear out of the Blends palette, and I also do have a link to save you off of anything from Blendbunny Cosmetics with the code BelindaMua. It is not an affiliate link, it is only a link to save you money if you would like to purchase. Let me grab a white. Okay, so I am going to go in with the Rose and Ben E28, and I'm just going to tap that right there on the top, and I am going to put this as my crease shade, and I am going above my crease just a little bit. I love this color, Mama Bear. It's one of my favorite colors out of the Blends palette. It is the perfect brown. And we're just going to keep tapping until I get it where I like it. I was going to use my Ace Beauty, that coral, was a sun something palette, but I can't bend over, so I can't find the darn thing. Okay, I like that. Okay, now the next shade I'm going to go in with is this Aubergine, this one right here. Now I'm not going to make that really big, but I am just going to put a little bit in there, and for that I am going to use my Refer 13 brush, and when I dip into that, I'm going to dip into the fall color right beside of that. And I'm going to put this in the middle of Mama Bear. I don't know what we're going to create, but it's going to be something. Okay, Now I'm going to take my Rose and Ben E28 and I'm just going to blend. Okay, I think I am going to go in with the Spiced Coral, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use the Blendbunny. I'm going to use these colors right here to kind of make it my own. So I'm going to get my towel out. And I haven't named her yet. If anyone would like to name my towel, yeah, just let me know. I use this towel when my my little Swiffer thing is dirty. Okay. So I'm going to take one dip into that, and then I'm going to dip into First Kiss, which is this color right here. Add a little bit more of First Kiss. I'm going to dip just one pinch of Spiced Coral. And then I dipped back into the Blendbunny palette, into Barley. Now let me grab my Rose and Ben E28, and we're just going to blend. Into the crease. We will bring a little bit, a little over halfway.
Back so I can get right into the middle of that crease. Likey. The color I made. That is a pretty color. That's kind of the color I was trying for anyway.
Dip in to Vexed. This color right here. And I am going to put that into the outer third to deepen it just the touch. And I'm going to put this right here. Now we're just going to go back in with the Rose and Ben E28, and we are going to just dab Spiced Coral and Barley. If I could ever learn how to put the shadows on to the screen, that would be wonderful. I guess I will one day in time. Now I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm going to use my M2u NYC primer, and there will also be a link down in the description where you can purchase this, and you can save with my code Belinda10. This is between a white and a fair. And I'm going to use the Rose and Ben C30 to do my crease, or do my cut crease. I really like this eye primer too, for the color, and it's actually really decent, and it's $8. That's pretty cheap. Okay. Now I'm going to take a clean brush, and it's going to be the Refer 15, and I'm going to start up here at the tops of my eyes and just, you know, kind of buff everything in real nice and blend it on each eye. Now I'm going to start over here. And I'm very light-handed blending. And I am pulling back. I have this yellow and this yellow. So I'm going to use this Buttercup, and I'm going to use a shader brush. I'm going with my Shayna B shadow brush, and I'm just going to start packing that over top into that peach. But I actually like that peach better than the yellow, which is called Pompous. A little bit onto the yellow to change it, because I don't like that yellow. I wished I had a sunshine yellow color, and I don't believe that I own one. That's pretty. I think that is going to go in here and give her a little tappity tap. So instead of doing yellow, we're doing like a orangish yellow. It'll be fine. So now I'm going to go over and finish up the other eye. And after I finish up that eye, I'm going to go ahead and put on my liner, my lashes, and I will be back to show you the finished results and do a lip with you. Okay guys, I am back, and I went ahead and finished the look because my back is killing me. And I'm going to go through real quick and tell you what all I did after we got off of here. First thing is, I went in with the Ofra Fix Line eyeliner and their brush in 01. I went in with the Full Spectrum eyeliners in by Makeup Geek in Nude for my waterline down here. And for the glitter above my lid, that is the One Size eyeshadow, cream eyeshadow in Everything and More. So I just took a brush and drew a line above that. I also dipped into my Danessa Myricks palette I actually dipped into both of these palettes. So I dipped into the Adept Cosmetics palette, and I dipped into AC12, and I put it right here. And then for the yellow, I dipped into Solar Rain out of the Danessa Myricks palette, this one right here. And I put it, I just kind of dabbed it all over the yellow, and I think it really took the look to the next level. For the lashes, I went in with the Taco Lashes by Glam Light. For my lip, I went in with Gerard Cosmetics Fire Engine and the lip liner and Red Brick Road. I was going to go on with an orange one, but I just thought red would bring it out a little bit more. For my highlighter, I went in with the Floss Cosmetics Sunlit. And for my inner corner, I went in with the Jaclyn Cosmetics Extra. And for my blush, I went in with the Patrick Tosh. She's Adorable and She's Seductive. I mixed the two. And I think that is it. And to finish off the look, Slay All Day Setting Spray in Mint Chocolate Chip. And that just sets the look, and we are done. So, oh, and for my mascara, I went in with my M2u NYC brand new mascara. Guys, this is my favorite. It really lengthens and it gives you lots of volume. I love it. It is my new favorite. So tell me, guys, what do we think of this look that I did? I like it. I think that it looks really good. I did use the Blendbunny Cosmetics palette and also the Bperfect palette, the Antidote. And of course, I went through those colors with you. I hope that you like this tutorial. I hope you think it's pretty. I think it's gorgeous. And my shirt is kind of, it says come as you are. So, you know, I like it. So, guys, if you liked this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to this channel and you like makeup and beauty related content from a mature Southern lady from the South, well then, honey, please hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't miss a beat. And guys, I will be seeing you in the next tutorial very soon. Stay blessed. Bye.